So guys, I decided to buy tatashe, peppers, tomatoes, and then shombo from roadside sellers because I didn't get the chance to go to the market to buy them. And this is a really good time to start stocking up and saving them because once the rainy season comes, tomatoes, tatashes, and all of these things are going to go pricey and then going to be dorime. So I'm just buying this for storage. So guys, let's see what we got. So guys, I'm back home now and this is everything we have. Okay, we have here tatashe and shombo mixed together. Then we'll have some fresh tomatoes, more fresh tomatoes, and then we have habanero pepper. Yes guys, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to add peppers. I'm just going to separate the peppers from the rest of them so that I will have to add pepper as I want or as I please, so that there's no risk of too much pepper and all of that. Except of course my favorite yellow peppers. So the first thing we're going to do is start washing everything and then and the seed all the tatashe and shombo. I don't necessarily need to do it, but I do. I like to deseed it because I feel that it has makes it tangy, but sometimes I leave it that way. So this is the shombo that has been deseeded, and then also this is tatashe, and then all that has also been deseeded, and then the rest are the tomatoes, which we're going to be prepping shortly. So guys, don't forget to watch till the very end so you see how we get to do it. By the way, my name is Oge and I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and how to achieve all of this on a budget. See, I'm just adding my pepper and I'm not adding any water. I didn't add any water into the tomatoes, neither did I add water. I added just a little bit of water in the tatashe just to get it started. And then I'm just supposed to cook this down until I get as much water out as possible. The tatashe and shombo can actually cook down, but the tomatoes, there has a lot of water and I really don't necessarily need to allow the water to dry completely. I just drain the water when I'm done. So I'm going to just be blending this up, and what I did was I separated the tomatoes from the tatashe and shombo. So I have a mixture of tatashe and shombo and then the tomatoes so that it's easy for me to use in the future when I need to. I'll be buying another batch in the future and I'm going to be combining all, and of course I'm going to be labeling accordingly so that I'll be able to differentiate all the items when they are frozen, and then I can use as I like. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and how to manage your home on a budget. So if videos like this interest you, please feel free to subscribe. It's free, and then share this video with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if this helps you in any way. So I have my tomatoes here. I have about 5 of these ziplocs, but I usually use containers, but I've run out of them now. And then these smaller ziplocs are for the tatashe and shombo mixture. Can you imagine how they have shrunk? But guys, you know, when you start cooking, this is going to rise up again. So guys, I'll see you in my next one. I hope you like this video. Till then, bye.